Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com. We're still in Las Vegas. We're still at the Palazzo Suite here. And I wanted to give you a closer look at the swimming pool area here because I had a lot of questions and interest in that. So looking down, again, on the Palazzo side, there are 7 swimming pools on the 3rd floor. I'm going to do a walk around here in a minute and show you a video of exactly what that looks like. But there are also 4 swimming pools and a splash pad on the Venetian side. So keep in mind, if you're visiting this property, you're going to be able to do all the pool lounging and swimming that you want. Lots and lots of pool space here. So cool. They have heated pools, splash pads. I saw a few hot tub areas down there. So again, if you're a sun worshiper, this property might just be for you, and we'll go down and look at that. I also wanted to show you, this location is fantastic. You can see this walk over bridge right here goes over to Fashion Show Mall, all kinds of shopping, Wynn, Resorts World. Just a great location, a little bit further down the strip than we normally stay, but this might give you access to some really cool things if you're used to staying in the middle or other end of the strip like we have done in the past. So anyway, just a really cool property and great location and so much to see and do here. There's a Senior Frogs across the way. You have access to everything. Treasure Island, just all kinds of, you can just walk the other direction and very easily get to Flamingo, Link, all of the things that are that way. So again, we love the strip, we love a strip view, and I'm really excited to take you down and do a walk around of this pool area because I had no idea just how amazing it was. So let's head on down to the 3rd floor in the Palazzo Tower, and that way you can get a peek at what this looks like. Okay, so right when you walk into the pool area, you will see the Capri restaurant and bar. That is an all-day breakfast, brunch, kind of cocktail little restaurant area that just sits right behind this big pool area. It would be the perfect area to come down and have a little bit of breakfast or lunch while you're lounging by the pool. So much seating. I'm actually filming this video at 9 a.m. on a Friday morning. The pool area is not crazy. I've watched it all week. It hasn't been crazy. But with that said, I do know these pool areas can get crazy. I've heard the Venetian side pool areas are much busier. This side is so massive that I can't imagine you couldn't find a free lounge chair, but you can reserve cabanas and seating if that concerns you. But as you can see, I would say early bird gets the worm. The pool area opens up at 8 a.m. If that's important to you, I would get down here. But when it comes to finding a great pool area in Las Vegas, I think this would be a great bet because, again, it's massive, it's beautiful, and you have a lot of options. So I'll just continue to do a walk around of this area to give you a look at what it's like. There's the bar area. It is just beautiful. And again, I highly recommend the Venetian for your next Vegas stay. So, so good. So enjoy the rest of this tour. I'll give you a little bit more information at the end, but take all this in. It's a beautiful, beautiful day here in Las Vegas. All right, there you go. I told you this pool area was massive and it's beautiful. Again, definitely a great option if you find yourself coming to Las Vegas. The Venetian Resort property and this Palazzo pool area on the 3rd floor is truly incredible. Let me know if you have questions. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSafe.com.